Hello, my name is Dr. Kristy Taylor, and I'm a career and executive coach and the founder of Work Solutions, where we focus on helping you to write your prescription for career success. Let's talk about something that happens far too often. You find a job that feels like the perfect fit. You submit your resume. Then nothing. No call, no email, just silence. This happens to so many qualified professionals, and it's not always because they're unqualified. It's often because they don't know how to read a job description the right way. Most people skim, they guess what matters, and they send the same resume to every role. But in today's job market, that approach simply doesn't work. That's why every Tuesday in July, I'm hosting a live workshop series called Decode and Conquer, Reading Job Descriptions Like a Pro. This session will help you read job postings like a recruiter, beat the bots, and get your resume in front of decision makers. In this workshop, I'll show you how to break down job descriptions so you can focus on what employers actually care about. When this is done well, candidates are 3 times more likely to land interviews. You'll also learn how to find and use the right keywords so your resume and LinkedIn profile pass through applicant tracking systems. And with more than 90% of companies using these systems, this skill is a must. Finally, we'll cover how to tailor your applications with strategy and intention. Job seekers who customize their materials are 50% more likely to receive callbacks from employers. If you're tired of sending out applications and not hearing back, this is the workshop for you. Whether you're pivoting careers, re-entering the workforce, or just ready for a change, I'll help you stop applying blindly and start applying with purpose. Let's turn job descriptions into your competitive edge. Click the link in the description to grab your free ticket. I can't wait to see you there.